Hello everyone. Well, today we are going to explore one such fascinating pharmaceutical concept from Rasashastra, that is a Pottali Kalpana. This is not just a method of preparation, it is a perfect example of how ancient science combines precision, innovation, and deep understanding of materials. In this presentation, we will understand what exactly Pottali Kalpana is, why it is so important, how it is prepared step by step, and what makes it so powerful and unique. So let's begin this journey from scattered substances to a compact life-saving medicine. In introduction, Rasashastra, Murchita Parada Yogas are classified into 4 major pharmaceutical preparations. These preparations are developed to enhance the therapeutic potency of mercury-based medicines and to make them safe and effective for clinical use. The 4 types are Khalviya Rasayan, Parpati Rasayan, Kupipakwa Rasayan, and Pottali Rasayan. Among these, Pottali Rasayana is a unique dosage form in which different medicinal substances are combined and processed to form a compact solid preparations. The word Pottali is derived from the Sanskrit word potta, which means to gather or bundle or make compact. This Pottali refers to the process of bringing together scattered medicinal substances into a small compact substance. In Rasashastra literature, the concept is described as reducing a large quantity of dispersed substances into a smaller, consolidated form for convenient use. This compact form of medicine helps to easy storage, transport, and administration. Now we will see the importance of Pottali Kalpana. In Pottali Kalpana holds great importance in Rasashastra because it offers several pharmaceutical and therapeutic advantages. Firstly, Pottali formulation belongs to Murchita Parada Yoga, meaning mercury is processed and stabilized through specialized pharmaceutical procedures. These preparations involve Khottabandha, which indicates the fixation or stabilization of mercury so that it becomes safe for therapeutic use. Secondly, Pottali Kalpana has a unique method of preparation involving sulfur bath and controlled heating. Due to this special processing, the final product becomes highly potent. Another important feature of Pottali formulations is that they can be used as emergency medicines. Because of their high potency and quick action, they are often administered in acute or critical conditions. In addition, Pottali medicines are very convenient because they require very small dosage, they are easy to carry, they have long shelf life, they provide rapid therapeutic effects. Thus, Pottali Kalpana represents an advanced pharmaceutical concept in Rasashastra. Now we will see the method of preparations. There are 3 major methods used for preparing Pottali formulation. First is a Gandhak Drav Pak method. In this method, the prepared Pottali is heated in molten sulfur. The sulfur acts as a heating medium and maintain a stable temperature throughout the process. This method allows uniform heating and helps in the proper processing of the ingredients. Second method is a Put-Pak method. In this method, the prepared material is placed in a sealed container and subjected to heating through put, which is a traditional heating techniques using cow dung cakes and other heating materials. Third is a Bhavna Vidhi. In this method, the ingredients are triturated with different liquid media such as herbal juices. Repeating grinding helps to enhance the therapeutic potency of the formulation. Now we will see the stages of preparations. The preparation of Pottali Kalpana involves three main stages. First is a Purva Karma, that is pre-operative procedure. This stage includes the preliminary preparation required before the main process. It involves selection and purification of raw materials, preparation of Kajjali, arrangement of equipment. Second is a Pradhana Karma, that is a main procedure. This stage includes the actual preparation of Pottali and heating process. And third one is a Paschat Karma, that is post-operative procedures. This stage includes the procedures performed after heating, such as cooling, cleaning, storage and administrations. Now we will see the ingredients of Pottali Rasayana. Pottali preparations contain the following main ingredients. First is a parat, second is a gandha, and third is a other metals such as swarna or tamra. A very important immediate compound used in this formulation is a Kajjali, which is a black sulfide of mercury obtained by triturating purified mercury and purified sulfur. Kajjali act as the base material for many Rasashastra formulation, including these Pottali Kalpas. Now several specifications must be followed during the preparation of Pottali formulation, that is a binding agents. Binding agents are substances used to bind the powdered ingredients together. Commonly binding agents include Kumari Swaras, Isabgol, Babbul Niryas, Tulsi Swaras, Nagveli Swaras, Dhattu Swaras. These liquids help in proper mixing and binding of all ingredients. Now we will see the shape of Pottali. The classical text describe different shapes of Pottali preparation. The most common shape are Shikharakar, that is which resembles a pyramid with a broad base and narrow top. Second is a Pugmatra shapes, which resembles the fruit of areca nut. And third is a Varti shape, which is cylindrical. These shapes reduce surface area and helps maintain compactness. The container used in it during the preparation may include earthen pot, that is a Murchita Patra. Second is a iron vessels, Loha Patra. Third is a stainless steel vessels. These containers must withstand high temperature during the heating procedure. Now the cloth used in it, which is a silk cloth, is usually used to wrap the Pottali. Silk cloth is preferred because it has high heat resistance, it is a strong and durable, it prevents leakage of material. Usually 4 layers of silk cloth are used for wrapping the Pottali. Now Pottali preparation requires indirect mild heat, that is a Mrudu Agni. Indirect heat ensures that the ingredients are processed slowly, there is no burning or degradation, mercury does not evaporate excessively. Types of Putta. Different heating techniques are used such as Bhudarput or Gajaput. These traditional heating techniques provide sustained heat, and various pharmaceutical apparatus are used during the process such as Pakwamusha, which helps in heating and processing the formulation. Now we will start the Purva Karma. The preliminary procedure involves first identification and collection of raw materials. Second is a purification of metals and minerals. Third is a preparation of Kajjali. Fourth is a arrangement of apparatus such as yantra, thread, silk cloth and mud pot. Fifth is a determination of proper heat intensity. These steps ensure the safety and quality of the final preparation. Now we will see the Bhavna Dravya. Bhavna refers to the process of triturating medicinal substances with liquid media. Different liquid may be used depending on the disease condition. Now we will see the Pradhan Karma. During this stage, the ingredients are triturated and shaped into Pottali. The Pottali is dried in shade to prevent mercury evaporation. The dried Pottali is then heated in molten sulfurs. Drying is usually done for several days to prevent formation of air bubbles during heating. Now we will see the Paschat Karma. After the heating process, the Pottali is allowed to cool naturally, that is a Swangashit method. The silk cloth is removed. Excess sulfur sticking to the Pottali is scraped off. The final product is stored properly. Special instruments such as forceps are used to handle the hot Pottali. Now we will see the organoleptic characters of Pottali. The finished Pottali preparation has specific characteristic, that is a color is a dull black, depends upon the which metals used in this Pottali ingredients. Second is a odor, that is a odorless, tasteless, cone shaped or half moon shaped form, and rough surface for touching. These features helps identify proper prepared Pottali. Precautions during preparations. Certain precaution must be taken during the preparations. Pottali must remain immersed in molten sulfur during heating. The temperature should be maintained between 120 degrees Celsius to 140 degrees Celsius. The silk cloth should be removed only after the process is complete. Excess sulfur adhering to the Pottali should be carefully scraped out. Paka Pareeksha. The completion of the process is determined by certain signs. The color of sulfur changed to Vyom Varna, that is sky colored. The Pottali produces metallic sound when struck. The silk cloth may get burned during heating. The process generally takes 2.5 to 4.5 hours. Now we see the mode of administration. The Pottali medicine are not directly consumed. Instead of, the Pottali is rubbed on a rough stone with ghee or honey to prepare a paste. This paste is then administered orally. In some condition, it may be rubbed with ginger juice or betel leaf juice before administration. Now we will see the rationale behind Pottali Kalpana. The materials and procedures used in Pottali preparation have specific scientific reasons. First, use of earthen pots. Earthen pots are heat resistant and allow uniform heat distribution, so it is used. Then now use of silk cloth, because silk cloth provides strength and prevents leakage of materials during heating. And also use of Valuka Yantra or Lavani Yantra, because this device helps maintain indirect and uniform heating. And use of sulfur bath, because it can maintain temperature up to 250 degrees Celsius, which is required for proper processing. Now at the end we discussion point here. Pottali Kalpana is a very efficient pharmaceutical technique because it allows easy handling of medicines. It ensures rapid therapeutic action. It has long shelf life. It requires very small doses. Due to these advantages, it has been regarded as a life-saving remedy in certain conditions. However, more scientific research and clinical studies are still required to fully understand and validate these therapeutic effects. Now we will see the conclusions. Pottali Kalpana is an important pharmaceutical preparation in Rasashastra that converts scattered medicinal substance into a compact and potent dosage form. Due to special processing involving mercury, sulfur and controlled heating, these medicines becomes highly potent and effective even in small dosage. They are especially useful in acute conditions because of their rapid action. However, there is still a need for more research and documentation to expand their clinical use and understand their pharmacological properties. So, as we come to the end of this topic, Pottali Kalpana is not just a pharmaceutical preparation, it is a reflection of the advanced knowledge and scientific thinking of ancient Ayurveda. From careful purification to controlled heating to creating a compact and highly potent medicine, every step shows precision and purpose. What makes it truly remarkable is that it works in very small dosage, acts quickly in critical conditions, and remains stable for a long time. Even today, it reminds us that traditional knowledge has immense depth, and with proper research, it can contribute greatly to modern medicine. I hope this presentation helped you clearly understand the concept of Pottali Kalpana. If you found this useful, keep exploring, keep learning, because every concept in Ayurveda has a story behind it. Thank you.